Welcome everyone to this video, where we'll guide you through adding custom fields in our core banking system. First, let's navigate to our client service portal, an all-encompassing hub for loan and account management. This portal also includes a Kanban board, facilitating efficient task management. Here you can undertake various tasks at both person and company levels, such as managing account or loan products, maintaining client data, defining client-product relations, and more. Using the search bar, let's locate the client created explicitly for this video, Peter Johnson. Upon navigating to the Person 360 page, we can select the loan for which we want to see the custom fields. On the Loan 360 page, you can see a summary of the main loan details. Then, by navigating to the Details section, you can see all of the additional loan and template details. Here you can also see any additional custom fields that have been set up in the configuration portal. Custom fields are any additional information you may want to store on the loan for reporting or accounting purposes. Custom fields are entirely flexible to fit your business needs. In this example, you have additional loan details and broker information. Let's say you want to update these custom fields. To do this, we have to go to the configuration portal and find the environment we are working on. In this case, we were working on the sandbox environment. You can see the current configuration on the sandbox environment. You'll see here that we already have custom fields set up. In the current configuration, you can see the custom field items that you just saw in the loan details section. If you wanted to change this, you would first have to create a copy of this configuration item. Then you would give it a unique name and navigate to the custom fields you want to update. Let's assume this field is no longer relevant. Instead, you want to expand your brokerage section with a new field. Once you're done with this new custom field, you can copy the configuration item, confirm it, and once created, it will appear in the list of available configuration items, indicating that it's ready to use and can be applied to any environment. Returning to the sandbox environment, you can see that the old configuration is still active. To make the change you just made effective, you can then navigate to the Actions menu and select Configuration Items. The most recently updated configurations will be visible. Alternatively, you can perform a search to find the configuration item you just created. After confirming this change, you specify that you want to replace the old version 14 with the new version. Then moving on to the summary, you can review the old and new configurations, confirm them, and refresh them. Now you'll see that the new custom fields are being used on this environment. If you navigate back to the client service portal, on the Loan 360 page of the loan you were previously viewing, you can refresh the page to load the new custom fields. Then, to update these values, you can go to the Actions menu, update the custom fields, and fill in the necessary information. Thank you for watching this video. If you're eager to learn more, don't hesitate to contact us through our website. We're here and keen to provide you with further information and support.